Today is July 8th, 2024. After the Hurricane Beryl, and because we don't have. Hey, stop! Because we don't have powers.
Hurricane Beryl. Beryl hurricane.
Yeah, we don't have powers.
No, it's
Start from like mornings,
what it is.
and we don't have power,
No, my hurricane, Solene.
and no AC. It started to get hot,
Yeah, no AC.
so
too.
we
And it goes through
so we come here.
Wednesday. Like, it's more than 2 days. Probably.
And we see a lot of three. So they learn from your sister. Learn from your sister. I don't do it for you.
I want to go.
To go where? I love.
I'm so happy. So happy. I still want to do pizza. It's so warm. We came here for nothing.
You do it yourself.
I can't. Look at me.
You learn from Sophia. See, Sophia do that. See you.
Look at me. Do it for me. Do it for me. Do it for me.
What you say? Say it nicely.
Can you do it for me?
Yeah, I push you.
That's not pushing.
You want me to push you? I push you already. See, now move a little bit.
Oh, you wanna go push like me? Faster. Stronger.
Okay, that's it.